Oliver, how are we positioned then ahead of today's inventory data?
You know, I think a lot of this pullback here to start the week has really been on the back of last week's OPEC decision. We saw a lot of those bullish headlines press prices towards that psychologically significant $60 level. And this week, we haven't gotten those bullish headlines, and we've seen the market stall out technically. And so we're seeing some long liquidation. Friday's commitment of traders report showed that the long position increased by about 59,000 contracts. This is one of the bigger long positions in recent memory, 398,000 long contracts. A record is 405,000. So the lack of bullish news and the technical failure to break out has led to some long liquidation, and I think that we could see that continue and press prices a little bit closer to $54.30, $55. This is psychologically significant, as well as the 50-day moving average. Now, OPEC does probably put a little bit of a floor under the market, but U.S. production is what we're keeping an eye on, and they continue to increase production as we approach that 10 million barrels a day level. I think puts a lid on the market, so I think this is a great opportunity to be a trader between that $50 and $60 level.
Oliver, what about gold? We're near the bottom end of that 3-month range, the 200-day moving average. What's the catalyst to take gold higher?
It's really just a buyer strike. We haven't gotten a catalyst to get us out above that psychologically significant $1,300 level. It's just not as sexy as all-time high stocks in Bitcoin. So we are at the bottom end of a 3-month range, as you had mentioned. We also have the 200-day moving average, 1260 to 1265 is going to be very, very significant on a closing basis. If we see it close below that, there's not a lot of technical support until that 1200 level. Now, with that said, January has been a good month for gold over the past couple years with asset allocation. So if we do get a flush lower to end out the year, I think there's going to be a buying opportunity to start 2018.